Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is for all the Taurus people, Sun Moon Rising, and it's about you versus them. So we will be checking what are your energies towards your person's energies towards you, and what are going to be their upcoming actions. So remember, the energies can switch any time at any point of time. Okay, so let's begin. Let's see what do we have for Taurus. Alright, let's see what are your person's energies towards you. Okay, one thing is for sure, that your person definitely wants to work on this relationship. They really want to work on you. Okay, they realize that they will have to put a lot of efforts if they really want you in their life. Okay, probably I do feel that this person thinks that you might be dealing with two people. I think this person is a bit doubtful, and I do feel that you do have two people at least in your mind, because we got two prince and we got one queen. So that is definitely there, but at the same time, I also feel that this person knows that they will really have to upgrade them. They will really have to up their game if they want to be with you, because this person is realizing, first I think this person thought that you are some kind of a princess energy and stuff, but now this person is realizing that you are that pure feminine energy, quite bold, quite independent. Okay, someone who doesn't take shit, someone who doesn't, like, someone whom you cannot manipulate. Okay, this is the energy that I see with this person. Okay, this is what they see in you, this is what they are feeling about you. Let me just see what are going to be their upcoming actions. All right, so that's pretty much clear actually. Okay, talking about their energy first, and then I will talk about their actions. So here, definitely this person wants to become the magician. Okay, they want to make things right with you. I think their third eye is getting activated in the sense they're getting they're putting something sensible into their brain. Okay, earlier I do feel that this person has been doing some nonsense. Okay, some rendezvous as well, probably going here and there, checking out, blah blah blah. But now this person, it's like inki aankhein khul rahi hain. This person is waking up to the truth. This person is coming out of the la la land, or the illusion from the Maya world, and this person wants to do something about you and this relationship. Okay, earlier I do feel that this person was expecting you to do all the work, and they just wanted to sit and watch the show. But now this person is realizing that they will have to do the work. Okay, whatever they have been getting, they will also have to invest into this relationship equally, even though I still feel that this person is still not ready to do the same. But some kind of indirect action, or I do see that they are planning some kind of things, like okay, maybe I can give them this, maybe I can breadcrumb them with maybe I can breadcrumb Taurus with this. So this is the energy that I see. ठीक है, बहुत ही, it's like they are still taking this relationship, or they are still taking you as an adventure. Okay, कि हाँ ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है मैं कर लूँगा या कर लूँगी, but their focus is still on their entertainment. Okay, I don't see that this person is really serious about this relationship. It's just that they are realizing few things. Okay, and probably it's also because of some third party involvement. Maybe this person is sensing that you are with someone else, and this is why this person wants you in their life, because this person is really jealous. Okay, and this person doesn't want to let you go. Like they can't give, or they can't hand over you to anyone else. This is the mentality of this person. Okay, this is what I see in this person's energy here. So that is definitely there. Coming to your energy, with your energy towards this person, I do feel that there's a third party situation again. Okay, and this third party situation, firstly, you probably wanted to get married to this person. Okay, but now definitely that story is not there, that happy ending is not there, and that is something that can upset you. Okay, you thought that you both are meant to be for each other. You thought that you will end up being with this person, that you will end up marrying this person, or probably you are married as well. But I do feel that now you are realizing that maybe you guys are together, but it doesn't make sense to you anymore. This relationship doesn't make sense to you anymore. Okay, now you're realizing that this person is not your divine counterpart. This person is actually the third party situation. Your divine counterpart is just someone else. Okay, and I do see that you are attracting that person into your life. I also feel that you will be dealing with this person. You will be having a good connection with this person in the future also, because something is going to change. Probably this person is going to give you some breadcrumb kind of an giving or attitude or whatever. But again, I think for you might want to talk to this person, but I don't think that you are really involved into this relationship anymore. Okay, now it seems that you just want to heal yourself, because you are upgrading your game. I do see something has happened where you are just sitting and waiting, and you will see what you really deserve. You are really going for something which is of your worth. Okay, because I don't see that you see this person as your equal. Okay, someone who is at the same level. And remember, the energies can switch anytime. Okay, so that is definitely there with your energy. And like I said, that you just want to see what this person's actions are going to be. And I do feel that this person is going to come, this person is going to pamper you as well. This person is going to do certain things, certain sweet gestures to negotiate with the situation, to balance out the situation, to heal the situation. But I don't think it's going to be enough for you. Okay, probably there's also I do feel that you both are dealing with some kind of third party situation. Maybe you have someone else in your head. Maybe this person also has someone in their head. Okay, I don't know if it's really happening or not, but yeah, some third party situation is definitely there. And also, with the upcoming actions, this person is coming out of their hermit mode. Probably they have been showing that, or they have been actually healing themselves, or probably they have been showing that they have been trying to heal themselves, taking their own time, taking their sweet little time and stuff. So now they are coming out of that phase. Okay, and I don't think that this person was taking time to heal, but this person may come to you and say, I was taking some time to process things, I was taking some time to do this, to do that, but now I'm ready for this relationship. Now I want to work on this relationship. But it is a complete lie. Okay, this person is a liar. Let me tell you this, Taurus. Okay, I don't think that this person was actually healing themselves. They were just escaping from the reality, escaping from the emotions, by probably working hard, by probably overworking, or being hyper independent. This is the energy that I see with this person, and they have a lot of regret. They will just try to hide the regret. Okay, that what they have done with you. So they still have some regret or guilt, but that doesn't mean that this person is being honest. So here you have to be very emotionally intelligent while you are dealing with this person. Okay, because I just feel that this person, whenever they do something, they will do it in extremes, okay? Or else they won't do it, be it their work, be it their relationship, friendship, whatever it may be. So this is something that you will have to see, okay? And this person may show you that they have changed themselves. There's certain transformation which they have realized within themselves, and they want to change things, but just go slow with this person. So that was your reading, and I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye.